Heyo, heyo, heyo. Heyo, good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing fantastic. Today I have quite a short video for beginners on the things that I think, on the tools really, on the tools that are so helpful but usually are overlooked when you're just diving into coding, just diving into learning how to program, because you think, oh, that's unnecessary, or even that's cheating, maybe even, maybe you think that learning those tools will make you less of a software engineer. To be honest, I wish I knew this when I was at the beginning of my career. Let me start with saying that this will not be a full tutorial on these tools. I've never done a tutorial, and it feels to be out of my comfort zone. So if you want me to make a tutorial, let me know, so I'll do it. This video hopefully will encourage you to dig deeper into the tools and learn them. So yeah, oh my god, so much talking, and I'm so excited to share that with you. And I don't know really why am I so excited. I don't know, I'm so happy. It's so great and raining outside, and I don't know, probably you make me feel so excited and happy. The first tool that I highly encourage you to use and to learn and use and use and learn, and learn and use and learn, if you will, is Git. So you probably have heard about it, Git being this source version control system. Beautiful. It makes you it helps you control your work, it helps you control your progress, and also it helps you collaborate with others. It helps a lot. So when people learn, and probably if you've started learning programming, you've heard about Git on some level. You've already heard about Git, which is great. But let's take it a step further. I had just a small English blackout, but I overcame it. And please use a Git client. And this is not an unpopular one, but use Git client. It can be if you're using GitHub, excuse me, then you can use GitHub app, or you can use an app called Source Tree, and probably there are more of them, and please use them. And you can say, why, Victoria, why should I use them? I should do everything in terminal, just by typing. And it's true, and I highly encourage you to learn the commands and use the terminal as much as you can, but also learn how to use the app as well, like some kind of GUI, graphic user interface, I meant. Really, it will make you feel less overwhelmed with Git, because Git has a lot of magic. And sometimes, for example, if you work on something for a longer period of time, you can feel overwhelmed with, not maybe overwhelmed, but you can just simply forget about the code you've typed already. And speaking from my experience, Git diff, so Git difference, which shows the difference, is totally useless for me because I cannot reason about it. Like, it's very, very, very difficult for me to have a good understanding of what happened when I look at git diff. So I was feeling very reluctant to try some kind of a git client, and I think, yeah, because I felt that it's like, as I mentioned before, I thought it would make me less of a programmer, and it's bullshit. Really, it's bullshit. Like, make your life as easy as possible, people. Like, because programming, like, we make, I wanted to say, we make computers. We make web apps. I mean, we program to make some things faster and easier for us, right? So don't make this particular thing more difficult for yourself. Speaking of terminal, I do recommend learning at least some, at least some basic commands, like how to copy a file, to a directory, how to show what's in a directory, how to make sure, like how to see where you are, how to see the rights to files, etc., etc. It's very helpful, and it will make you feel better, feel more safe, feel more in control over what's happening. Because sometimes you asked in some tutorials to go to the terminal and paste this command, and you have no idea what this command does. So yeah, learn terminal, learn how to use it. And the third tool that I highly recommend you're using and you're learning how to use is text editor. And it sounds trivial because, oh, Victoria, what is there to learn? Like, you just open a file and you just type some code and it's fine. And it's not. No, it's not. You probably know already that there are many text editors that are designed for writing the computer programs. This sounded so official. Anyways, but they have also many other tools built in that will help you move faster. For example, you should, in my opinion, you should learn how to copy a file, like key bindings, key shortcuts, like how to copy a line without marking the line, like every character in the line, how to find every place when a variable is used, or variable or method or whatever, like a thing is used, how to copy a line, how to erase a line, how to move lines. So there are many shortcuts that you really should learn, because it will make your life so much easier and so much faster, and you will feel much more comfortable and, as I mentioned before, in control, which is, I think, crucial, especially when you're starting and when you're feeling like, oh my god, everything is so new, why this happened, that happened, and how am I using all of these tools? And it's like this. Spend some time to just learn Git, terminal, and text editor. And if you feel like you're lost, just comment and I will record a tutorial, or even 2 tutorials, or even 3 tutorials on those topics. I wish you a very happy and fun time learning terminal, Git, and your text editor. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Let me know what your struggles are, and if you have any questions, if you have anything to say to me, the comment section is welcoming you. Yep. So, see you next time. Bye. And I don't know if I should mention that, but it's very useful in my opinion, and it's not necessarily a tool, but it is a tool. And I mean, and what I mean by that is testing. Now I'm thinking about, should I also mention REST clients, but let's forget about REST clients for a minute. Testing. Learn how to test your code. Testing is brilliant.